Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another haul. A couple things happen. 49 and Market, a new collection out. Hello, of course I had to get it. And my scrapbooking store had a sale, 20% off everything. So yeah, I had to get the new 49 and Market collection. It is the Vintage Artistry Moonlit Garden. I want to open, of course, my favorite part is these washi stickers. And look at those. This, I just ripped it right here to open the roll, so it's not a big deal. I can use the rest of those leaves, but look at that. Oh, there's a little bird and butterflies. Oh, I love it. Oh, and look at that flower. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's the first thing. Had to open that one and see what the stickers look like. And then you can look at the box, but it's just not the same. So we got that. Then we got the Moonlit Garden Wildflower. Look at those. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at all this pieces. 77 pieces. Then I got the Moonlit Garden Laser Cut Elements. That has 116 pieces with stems, tickets, lace, ephemera, signs, leaves, butterflies, and more. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then a couple of, oh, I got two. Okay. I got two transfers. The Vintage Artistry Moonlit Garden Rub-On transfer. That's okay, because I use these so much, it's not going to go to waste. So I must have hit order 2, and that's okay. All right, so 2 of those, 6 sheets. So bonus, bonus. And then I got the 49 and Market Moonlit Garden Cluster Kit. Love that. I got it once, and I know it's kind of expensive, but I love these clusters. So I got it for this collection. I probably won't do it for all the collections, but like kind of my favorite collections. Then I got the chipboard bits set. Then I got, oh, let me show you what the back of that looks like. Love those. And then the Moonlit Garden Ephemera bits. And look at that, 114 die cut shapes. So many pages can be made with those. Love it. Then I decided to get the big rub-ons this time. And we'll see how I like them. There's quite a few. Does it say? No, it doesn't say. But there's quite a few, you know, that you can cut apart. I like that, and I like the colors. And then I got this one, which is the, what's it? This is a Sentiments one, and this is the Moonlit Garden. So it's got butterflies and flowers. And so I decided to get those 2 this time around. Usually I don't get the big ones either, but... And then I got the foundation pack. I think because I was getting 20% off, I got extra stuff. And then this is the foundation pack. It has 8 double-sided papers, 2 of each design. Love it. Love it. And I tend to like these more than the pattern paper. I can work better with, you know, you have 2 choices. So you can go with a little bit of texture or a full color. So then I can decide on that. Oh, I guess I got another sheet of rub-ons. This is the color wash. Oh, I like that. So this one, I'm going to make sure just to use one per, you know, one per layout. And even, I don't think I'd use it like this. I'd probably cut it in a few pieces and end up putting it on, you know, a few places on the layout instead of like one big blob. So we'll see how we use that. Then I I bought these Vintage Essentials 01 rub-on transfers. I kind of like that. It has a couple sheets, I think. Yeah, 2 sheets. And it has words. It has like a frame and just some strips. And then on this side, it has butterflies and leaves and stuff. So got that. Then I got a few things for Christmas because I'm going to be starting my December daily this week. So I went ahead and just kind of added a few things to help me build my December daily album. So this is the Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. All I got was the sticker sheet. And is that from the... Yeah, that's it, the sticker sheet. And then this is Simple Stories, The Holiday Life. I got that. I thought that was cute. And then this is Boho Christmas by Simple Stories. The journal bits and pieces. So this is that. So that's it. That's all the new goodies that I got. And I can't wait to start making page kits with this and making some pages. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.